IOTA makes use of distributed ledgers. Unlike most cryptos, it does not use a blockchain. Instead, it uses a technology its developers call the tangle, which is based off of a mathematical concept known as directed acyclic graphs. This was a purposeful move from the developers, as within this design is what separates IOTA from every other cryptocurrency. Within the design, we have the removal of miners without sacrificing decentralization. With the need for miners removed, so are the need for fees. Yes, IOTA is completely free to use. This is because everyone plays an equal role in the network. Anytime a transaction is made, the issuer must help authenticate to previous and random transactions. It uses a series of cryptographic algorithms along with many other sophisticated techniques to do this work. This work is done behind the scenes, on such a small scale that any device could manage it without effort. Ultimately, a network like this allows for two important features: microtransactions and speed. Microtransactions are transactions that can be worth fractions of cents, and cryptos like Bitcoin face many issues with this, largely due to the necessity of miners. In short, you couldn't purchase a coffee with most blockchain-based cryptos. Moving on, we have speed. In cryptocurrency, speed is measured by TPS, transactions per second. We covered this in our last video, IOTA by the numbers. We suggest checking that out if you haven't already. In simple terms, none of us want to be stuck waiting hours for a transaction. Ultimately, with IOTA, the more people that use the network, the faster it becomes, alleviating the issues blockchain-based cryptocurrencies face today. It is these two features that give rise to IOTA's purpose, which is to support and facilitate a machine-to-machine economy, and to be implemented as the underlying protocol behind the Internet of Things. Our goal of reaching 10,000 subscribers is well underway, and everyone at Everything Tangle is so appreciative of all the love and support. If you hadn't heard, at 10,000 subscribers, we will be giving away 1 GI. To enter this giveaway, you need to be subscribed to our channel. You also need to follow us on Twitter and retweet our 10K giveaway tweet. Easy to follow instructions will be in the description below. From everyone at Everything Tangle, thanks for watching.